The purpose of this video is to explain in 2 minutes why credit scores are important. So, as you can see, I'm looking at interest rates on mortgages, and I have a loan amount of $300,000, a down payment of let's say 20%, and credit scores. So if you have a low credit score of 620 to 639, this would be your interest rate on a 30-year fixed. As you can see, it is 6.275%. But look at what happens if your credit is 800 and up. It drops to 5.5%. Now, right now, interest rates are still artificially high. I still think that is bad, but it's way better than paying over 6%. And of course, check this out. If your credit score is less than, let's say, 600, data not available, meaning if you have a score between 600 and 619, you might not even be able to get a loan. Let's do this again, 580 to 599. You can't even get a loan. If you can make it to, let's say, 660, okay, 6.2%, but then 800 and up, boom, 5.5%. And again, 5.5 is still bad. Interest rates right now are artificially high. When I refinanced my duplex, I got it at 3%. So this is still high, but you get a better deal, a much better deal when you have good credit.